video for you guys.
I'm so excited.
In this video, you guys are going to learn the top 5 technologies to learn for 2024. So whether you are a tech enthusiast, if you are a professional looking to upskill, or you are just curious about where in the world is tech heading in 2024, then this video is for you.
Yes, sir. I like that.
So go ahead and grab your snack, sit back, and let's explore these game-changing technologies. Guys, my name is Antoine Wade, and I run the Black Kite channel. And if you'd like this sort of content, do me a favor and leave a like on the video. Also, if you're new to this channel and you stumbled across the video, guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we drop videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we do a live stream on a Saturday or a Sunday. Now let's jump into the video. Now, before we get into the video, many of you guys have asked, hey Antoine, what does your studio look like?
What does it look like?
Well, the cool thing about my studio is it's a additional dwelling unit on my property. So it sits all the way in the back of our house, and it's about an 800 square foot old house built in the 1950s. That was one of the reasons why we bought this property in May. But here's what my studio looks like, guys. Let me take you guys for a quick tour, and you walk into the studio. The first thing you'll notice is that I have a bed in here in the living room area, because this is where I can take naps in the middle of the day. I got a full kitchen that's over here. You know, it's old, and this is where I go and get myself a nice little drink every once in a while. I got my popcorn machine over here just in case I want to have a snack. You know, then this is the actual studio, guys. This is all of my equipment, multiple monitors, an MSI computer, teleprompters, lights, got a little Christmas blanket over the window to protect the window from all the extra light that's coming in. And this is it, guys. This is a simple studio that we're going to be conducting some renovations on soon, some painting, some updates and stuff like that. Let me know what you guys think of the studio. I have a lot of work to do in here. It's simple, but I want to know from you guys what you guys think about the studio. What equipment are you guys using? What equipment should I be using to make this studio even better? This is going to be my new podcast area. Whenever I get the furniture and a new camera equipment, it's going to be over here. And I don't know if I'm going to do the renovations first, or if I'm going to just build out the studio area first. And this table could be used. I have a lot of stools and so forth. And I think we can definitely use this little high top table here for the podcast. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like the studio, let me know in the comments. If you don't like it, let me know how I can improve it. I love you guys' feedback. Coming in at number 5 is extended reality, also known as XR. And this isn't just about gaming in the virtual world anymore. Just imagine a surgeon in New York performing a surgery in Kenya through a virtual reality headset. That's the power of extended reality. And extended reality is your gateway to an exciting future, as it encompasses a fascinating fusion of augmented reality AR and virtual reality VR, offering an immersive experience like never before. And extended reality blurs the lines between the physical and digital worlds, allowing users to interact with computer-generated content in the real world. And it goes beyond entertainment. You can use it for finding, applications in the education world, the healthcare world, the gaming world, and so much more.
Good, I want to learn.
A lot of retailers are thinking about extended reality as solutions for them to work closely with their customers. Just imagine being able to use an app to scan your body, and the retailer having a extended reality solution, which therefore allows for you to see your figure with the clothes that you are selecting. That is the power of extended reality. You will no longer have to go to retail stores to actually try on clothes, because the technology will do a full body scan and show you exactly what the clothes will look like on your body. Do you guys remember when you used to go to the movies and look at 3D movies, and we used to think of them as being mind-blowing because we used to have the glasses on and so forth? Now we can virtually step inside of a movie with extended reality in some applications. You won't even have to leave your house.
Wow, that's great.
And the reason why you should learn extended reality is because it is growing. There is an increasing adoption in various sectors, making it a lucrative skill. And various market research reports predict that extended reality will grow to about a $30 billion to over $100 billion in 2025, with estimates even higher depending on the source in the specific segment, whether it's virtual reality, augmented reality, or MR as well. Coming in at number 4 is edge computing, and think of it like a decentralization of data processing, bringing computing power closer to where it is needed so that there is no more lag in critical operations. Now let me clarify the explanation a little bit more. Edge computing is like having a mini supercomputer right where you need it. So instead of sending all your data to a distant data center in the cloud somewhere, it brings computing power closer to the actual source, reducing latency and enhancing efficiency. And I want to give you guys some use cases of edge computing. Well, edge computing is very important for autonomous vehicles because it allows autonomous vehicles to process real-time data. Autonomous vehicles are equipped with a multitude of sensors, including cameras, LiDAR, radar, and ultrasonic sensors.
Oh, wow.
And these sensors continuously generate vast amounts of data, capturing detailed information about the vehicle's surroundings. And for autonomous vehicles to navigate safely, it must process this data in real time to make immediate decisions. And this includes recognizing objects, understanding traffic signals, and assessing road conditions, and predicting the actions of other vehicles and pedestrians. And implementing edge computing in an autonomous vehicle means that much of this data processing occurs directly within the vehicle rather than being sent to a distant cloud server. And the vehicle itself acts as an edge device. And this local processing or this local data processing will reduce the latency significantly, ensuring that the vehicle can react in fractions of a second, which is essential for safe driving and quick responses in unexpected situations. So why should you learn more about edge computing? Well, you should learn more about it because of the growth of the Internet of Things and the need for real-time processing in many industries. According to Fortune Business Insights, the global edge computing market size was valued at $11.9 billion in 2022, and it is projected to grow from $15.9 billion in 2023 to $139 billion by 2028. That is a growth rate of over 36%. Moving on to number 3, let's talk about 5G and Wi-Fi 6, because it's not just faster internet, it's the backbone of modern connectivity. In 2024, the lightning fast world of 5G and Wi-Fi 6 will take center stage, and these technologies are set to revolutionize how we connect and communicate. If you want to join wireless connectivity, 5G and Wi-Fi 6 are going to be your heroes. The future of mobile networks, 5G, will offer greater speeds and lower latency, and Wi-Fi 6 will speed up home and workplace networks and allow easy connection in busy situations. Do you guys remember when downloading a movie took hours? Well, now in 2023, it just takes minutes, and you should be happy because we are in the era of 5G and Wi-Fi 6.
I love it.
And the reason why you should learn these technologies is because these technologies are pivotal for the development of smart cities and Internet of Things, and also telemedicine. Coming in at number 2 is blockchain technology. And blockchain is not just for cryptocurrencies, it's about securing data in a way that's almost impossible to tamper with. At its core, blockchain is like an immutable digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers, and it ensures transparency, security, and trust in various applications, from financial transactions to supply chain management transactions. Picture blockchain as a public library where each book represents a transaction, and once a page is written, written, it's forever preserved, and everyone can check the library, but no one can change the pages already written. And blockchain technology in a supply chain management solution offers a transparent, tamper-proof, and efficient way to track the production, the shipments, and the receipt of products in real time. And a use case could involve a global food supply chain where blockchain is used to record every step of a product's journey from farm to the supermarket shelf. And this includes the data on the production methods, the shipping times, the storage temperatures, and the delivery dates. And such transparency ensures product authenticity, enhances food safety, reduces fraud, and improves inventory management. And retailers and consumers can verify the origin and destination and safety of the products that goes inside their bodies. Just imagine a world where you can trace your morning coffee back to the farm where it was grown. That's blockchain in action. And according to the Grandview Research, the blockchain technology market size was estimated at about 10 billion in 2022, and it is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 87% from 2023 to 2030. And this growth is driven by the escalating demand for secure and transparent transactions across many industries. So this is a industry or a field that you definitely want to learn, and that is going to give you a lot of job opportunities and give you a lot of demand in your career.
Maybe I want to learn.
And coming in at number 1, guys, lastly, it's cybersecurity, or should I say digital trust. And in an online world, trust is everything. And cybersecurity is the digital wall that keeps hackers from getting to our private info. And it includes many techniques and tools and methods used to keep information safe, private, and accessible in a world that is becoming more and more digital. And you could think of cybersecurity as the locks and alarms on your digital home, keeping cyber criminals at bay and ensuring your personal information remains private and secure. And protecting personal information and securing business operations is critical in 2024. Too many companies are being hacked. Too many people's personal identities are being hacked, and we must protect it. And that's going to be the jobs of cybersecurity professionals. And guess what, guys? With the growing threat in the landscape of the digital age, this is going to allow for the cybersecurity field to continue to boom, which is the reason why it shows up on our number 1 as the best technology to learn in 2024.
That's awesome, man.
So there you have it, folks. These are the top 5 technologies to get your hands on and learn in 2024. And each of these technologies isn't just about shaping our future, they are redefining it. So whether you're looking to boost your career or just stay ahead in the world of tech, these are the skills that you should focus on. And guys, if you like this sort of video, remember this. My name is Antoine Wade, and if you like this content, make sure you hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be alerted when we drop content on Tuesdays and Thursdays and live streams on a Saturday or a Sunday. And until next time, guys, peace.